Slow, please. So maybe you're learning sign language and you want somebody to slow down while they're signing. Slow. So your left or non-dominant hand is just going to be out like this. Right hand, dominant hand, closed 5, touch the fingertips and come back on the arm like that. Slow. And then please, we're going to incorporate that in that we learned earlier. Slow, please. Slow, please. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun to improve communication with your autistic child or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.